Hello, everyone. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I have a project share with for you all. This is, you guys remember this project, the vertical paper bag album that we did here on YouTube, where I added my little twist, where I changed up the spine and all sorts of fun stuff. I know you remember. So I have a creative stylist team that's helping me with decorating projects because I have lots of projects, but I never get to decorating all of the styles that I offer kits for. So, creative stylist Suzanne, and I will link her down below so you can check out her YouTube channel, created the birthday wishes design. And here it is, guys, and I'm super excited to share with you all. I have three creative stylists. It's Suzanne, Yvette, and Patty Katai. And I usually don't say last names, so forgive me for that. But I will link them all down below so you can check them out. They're all currently working on projects. So this is the birthday wishes theme. I do have a kit for this on my website. So if you guys have a birthday coming up, you want a quick gift, you want to preserve some memories in a gorgeous, gorgeous album, or if you picked up the kit already, this is what you can do with it. So let's talk about the cover very quickly. She designed this landscape orientation to feature one of the elements in the paper collection, which is just completely appropriate. Use some of the fun paper to highlight, just create that focal point in the title. She used some of her punches from her stash in a really nice way, I must say. She actually pieced two different punches together, as you can see right here. Just really beautiful job. She did a make a wish on the spine here, which is depending on how you're going to store this, because this also has amazing storage capabilities. A lot of the times we make these projects and we don't know how to store them. This one is perfect. All right, I will link you down below to the tutorial so there's no confusion, and also to the kits that I have available for this particular project. All right, the inside is just as beautiful, beautifully finished as the outside. Just really nice. Another great way to store this would be in the landscape orientation, which would be a lot of fun as well. All right, so that is the storage box. Here's the mini album. I love what she did with the mini album. Lots of interaction right off the bat on the cover. Just beautiful opportunities for photographs, kind of telling the story, giving you a little peek of what to expect on the inside, which is always a lot of fun. So these are number 10 tags, guys, and just look at the tags right here in case you have this kit and you want to design yours exactly like this one, which is so gorgeous. All right, so those are the tags on the cover. And then let's look at the layering on the cover here. Super cute with the cupcakes, some more punching. This is the stacked pocket that I show you all how to create. And then I've shown in a million tutorials. And then there's some more layering here. All right, so this is a separate piece layered on top of the mat, the detail one, and the pocket assembly right here. All right, just beautiful. Let's put these back. I mean, the pockets are so well made. You see how easily the photo mats or the tags slip right in there without getting caught. Love that. Then on the inside, you get all of this amazing, amazing detail. This is a paper bag album. This is my vertical paper bag album with the pocket extension, which is, I believe it's a perfect, what I call, solution to the problem that I encounter with paper bag albums, which is that the bag catches on the spine and it never lays flat. They're almost like this all the time because you need this extension right here because they're so narrow and we load them up that we've got to have a fix here, which also creates a really fun style for a mini album, which I love. So here's a generous, generous size pocket, which is like half of the page. Gorgeous matting right here. Let's look at this photo mat. How fun. 2 pictures, 4 pictures if you decide to go on the back side with this photo mat right here. The pocket cards, everything that you see here, guys, comes in the kit. There is nothing added. You get the treat bags, you get the pocket cards, you get the sticker sheets, you get the buttons, and you get the bags. Absolutely everything. There's a detailed video on the link that I will provide for you all below so you see exactly what you get for this one. Just gorgeous. Now let's take you on the inside of the album. So we've got pockets, of course, that you'll learn how to make in the detail. This is the page assembly that you learn how to make in the tutorial, excuse me. And then this is what you want, guys. This is what you want. The page design for those of you who got the kit. Look at how gorgeous that looks. And then another insertion, 3 photos, and check out the pocket scrapbooking design on the back of this tag. How fun is that? Just perfect placement for photographs. This is the kind of gift you want to give, guys, especially when you're giving a gift to a non-scrapbooker. This is what you want to do. You want to have clear defining areas for photographs, and it's done for you right here in this design, which is perfect. You're not going to get the question, what do I do with this? I promise you, you're not. Slap a photo right there. All right? Backside photograph or journaling if that's what you want to do. I'm just going to place the tags right here and fold up. All right, so I can just keep on going. This little flap here, Suzanne added this, which is super cute. Another opportunity for a photograph. So I love how she used her own creativity to just add, to add a flap there. It's just absolutely perfect. All right, and there you go. So next page. Make sure I'm not messing anything up here. All right, so next page. See how beautifully that turns and lays flat? How perfect is that? We've got a treat bag with a tag. And by the way, you get your tags. All right, you get the bags and the tags in your kit. All right, here is the pocket extension that I show you all how to do in the tutorial. With a treat bag or a paper bag, you usually have a very shallow opportunity for a pocket. I show you how to extend it all the way to the bottom of the bag so your pieces are not, slipping out through the sides. Beautiful decorative area here. Just lets you enjoy that paper, which is what we all love. So you get the best of both worlds here. You can actually put your photographs and enjoy the beautiful paper. I love it. And this is, again, Birthday Wishes by Pebbles American Crafts. Alrighty. And then over here, again, lots of insertion points. I love how she decorated in her matting. All right, so when you pull out the tags or the photo mats, you get this beautiful celebrated area. Love, love, love that. Something I do all the time. I love decorating with my matting. All right, super cute little insertion point here she created with the tag. Of course, this is a pocket, and that's what she did with that photo mat. Here we have a large size tag and another brilliant tag assembly. Just fantastic. Love it. Love, love, love. Alrighty. I could picture a lot of you stopping and starting this video over and over again. So fun treat bag insertion. Here are the design elements here for this piece. Love. How fun. And here is the pocket. You can fit 2 of the large tags, by the way, of the large photo mats in the bag. So you can do 2. One in the front of the bag and one in the back of the bag. So that also maximizes, just gives you more opportunity for memories. All right. And here she did this double pocket on the outside, which is super cute with little journaling spots. Really, really great. And you want to know what I love about it? The pockets are designed so perfectly. You see how things slip right into the pockets. The matting is perfect. Everything is just perfect. Love it. Great construction. Again, some more tags. Really beautiful matting on the pocket. So when you pull that picture out, you still get fun, fun, fun. All right. Here's this one. Photo mat. Gorgeous. Another opportunity for a photo mat. See how easy that just slips in there. All right, you follow the instructions of the tutorial and you'll get beautifully constructed projects. All righty. And then for the photo mat, how fun. Check it out, guys. Gorgeous. Next page. Right here, there's the matting. Love. Another treat bag. Here's this pocket here. Nice spot for a photograph there. and then the fun pull-out elements. Photograph on the back side, a little journaling on the bottom. Photo, photo, photo mat. Gorgeous. Love that arrangement, and just really fun elements. She used the punch down here. All right, the cardstock in this kit is unbelievable. You're going to love it. Back here, how fun. She added this flap. Love that. Little flap on the bag for the treat bag. Photo mat. Excuse me, guys. I have this cough that's been haunting me for like 4 weeks now. I'm much better. I can actually get a sentence out without being interrupted by the cough, but it's lingering, and it wants to hang out, guys. It wants to hang out. Fun, 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 fun. Love the little tag there. See, it's just there being a decorative element. Great use of the pocket card in the matting. So you pull out the photograph and that's what you see. How fun. Look at that. Brilliant. Design work. Love it. Double matting here. Oh no, this is actually the branding strip. Remember that branding strip that we all dislike? Sometimes we can use it to our advantage and sometimes we can't. Here she used it to her advantage. It looks fantastic with a border at the bottom. Love. Alrighty. Love it, love it, love it. This paper is just fantastic. This is I think it's zigzag punch. Looks like this. Well, I shouldn't say that. It's somewhere here. Never mind. I don't know. Oh, here it is. This one right here. All right, if you're interested. EK Success. And I think I failed to pull this one out. I sure did. Cute, cute, cute. Love it. Adorable. That turns over. See, still laying flat, although we are 5 pages in. And that's this pocket extension right here, guys. Just really, really functional. You're going to love that. And here, oh my gosh, how super cute. She did a little flip right there. Love, 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 love. Just kind of pop that out right there. Super fun. Here, another little flip. Seriously, these are so much fun. And they're magnetized, so it's not going all over the place. And over here, perfect matting. Love the use of the pocket card in the matting. She checked off the cake, open gifts, be with the family and friends. Love. Photo mat. Perfect for a picture. Another photo mat and the piece de resistance. How fun. 5 photographs with a journaling spot. I mean, really. How perfect and functional that is. You know, we all love the paper. It's beautiful. We love to look at it. We love to create projects with it. But if you can't do anything with it, guys, after it's all said and done, it's not a paper phenomenon project. You know what I mean? You've got to be able to use it in our everyday life as a gift, as a memory keeper. You have to be able to store it, all that good stuff. All of my projects are not, I should say, user-friendly because I create some crazy things. But most of the time, I try to stay true to the memory keeping aspect of what we all love to do in my designs. And this one, I have to say, Suzanne, you hit the ball. Is it out of the park? I'm so not a sportsy girl. I know home run and I know touchdown, and you did both of those right here, girlfriend. Love it. Just a beautiful, brilliant, brilliant design work on this project. I love it. And sorry, I have no nails, so I can't pull out the tags when they're. So just really cute stuff, guys. And here, how gorgeous is that? I love that. That's just really, really beautiful. Your favorite picture right in here. Just brilliant, darling. Brilliant. Love that. All right, so that's it, my friends. And this is the same exact project, different papers as, and it slips right into that storage box, guys, for safekeeping and storage as this one, guys. Same exact project. All right. If you want to learn how to do this spine, the videos are here on YouTube. But same exact project, guys, different papers. All right, absolutely love that you get such a completely different look with the papers. So it just shows the versatility of the project. Again, if you picked up this kit or this kit, I think I have kits for the couture available. I'm not sure. You have to check my shop. But just gorgeous. I know I have kits for this one, most certainly. So just beautiful. Enjoy, guys. The vertical paper bag album with the storage box. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and Suzanne Hugh from the Creative Stylist team worked on this one. Great job. Thank you so much.